Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started. Today's tip, worn out brakes. One of the most important safety considerations when operating any vehicle is making sure the brakes are in proper working order. So how can you tell when your brakes need a service? First and foremost, if you notice your vehicle isn't stopping as quickly as it used to, it's a good idea to get it checked out by your local Honda dealer right away. Here are a few things to look for. If you need to push the brake pedal down too far, this can mean low brake fluid or worn out brake pads. If you hear a grinding sound, the brake pads and rotors are likely very worn down. If you feel vibration when braking, this is probably due to warped rotors and result in the brake pads not gripping the rotor properly, which would increase stopping distances. Finally, if your car pulls to one side when braking, this is indicative of uneven brake pad wear, a sticky caliper, or even a collapsed brake hose. If you notice any of these things while driving, be sure to call your local Honda dealer and book the vehicle in for a brake inspection. Now, on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for the Honda Bluetooth speaker as well as the first aid kit. Question: in what year was the Honda Odyssey first launched in Canada? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.